Accounts Payable Automation Solution by Canon. The business problem: taking control of the accounts payable operations. Accounts payable processes today involve too much paper and too many time-consuming manual sign-offs. Invoices come from multiple vendors and in different formats.
Canon USA came to CIIS with 3 problems we needed to solve. The first problem was invoice and spending approval. We are a project-driven company, and spending was not being approved by the right people, and no one was paying attention to our approval matrix. We had multiple invoice channels, multiple sites, high paper volumes, complex invoices, and nothing was following the path that it needed to follow. We really needed to standardize this extremely complex problem. Our second problem was visibility into spending. Procurement and the administrative divisions really couldn't project what was coming down the pike as far as spending went. We had a hard time planning ahead and setting up budgets, along with tracking against budgets. Our long payment cycles were a little bit of a nightmare, and we really didn't have control over those payment cycles. Our third problem was how to get vendors paid in a timely manner. We pushed paper and vendor payments around. We lacked positive interactions with our vendors. And the product groups really had no control over how vendors were being paid, so that made for some awkward vendor interactions. We were also losing out on early payment discounts, and that had a direct effect on our bottom line. CIIS came up with a solution to automate our accounts payable process.
The solution is automating accounts payable processes. We utilize technology capabilities like intelligent invoice capture, business analytics, mobile, online collaboration, and fraud detection to automate and transform the AP process. The automated workflow allows us to approve invoices anytime and anywhere. When it's time for payment, invoices are scanned and the information is automatically processed. Fast and easy. Intelligent invoice capture extracts, verifies, and updates relevant information in the ERP system. No data entry is required, and the payment cycles are quick. The vendors are paid, and now you would want to have visibility to your spend. With the Business Analytics dashboard, you can see your commitments and analyze the spending in real time. You have insights into your cash, spend, invoice processing, and cycle times with the statistics of invoices. You can also see the early payment discounts captured and analyze the spend by each individual vendor. The business analytics provide greater control of the operations and manage risks.
Canon USA partnered with CIIS to automate the accounts payable process. And as a result, we're seeing continued improvement in some key areas of our operation. We introduced automated approvals right in the system, so things can be done online and not manual. So what we're seeing is our approval time has gone from an average of 20 days down to 3 days. We also saw an increase in our staff productivity, so our team is now processing 45% more invoices per person than in the past. This is just within a few months, and we're continuing to see improvement in this area. We also saw an improved accuracy using the system, so we're at a 93% first pass match rate. We're also able to match the POs right in the system. So what that's letting us do is catch a lot more errors and any potential fraud in the process. We've also been able to take advantage of early payment discounts, 3 times the amount than we did in the past. It helps improve our vendor relation, as well as taking those discounts. The other thing we did was introduce some analytical tools. So now we're seeing where there's bottlenecks in the process, and we're also able to look for areas of continued improvement.